Hey everybody, I'm at 27 today. I had to swing by Wally World, Walmart, and grab a few things while I was there. I just tried to get one of these blaster boxes of Topps football. Just tried to get one. Get a couple packs in this, 10 packs plus a patch card. So that'd be cool just to try one while I was there. Picked one up cheap. And maybe we'll get lucky, who knows. Alright, got them out. There's the patch card. I'll save that till last. And here's all the packs. See if I can get one of the parallel rookies that I've seen now on Beckett.com. They've shown off the parallel versions. Be cool. I did get a Dez Bryant insert. And it looks like just a normal Jonathan Dwyer rookie card there. Get our Randy Moss Dez Bryant insert. And my rookie card is a Tyson Alualu. Again, normal. He doesn't actually have a parallel version, as far as I know. There's a few that do, some that don't. A lot of them that don't, and a few that do have parallel versions. Guess they're fairly hard to get. Got a gold variation rookie of Riley Cooper for the Eagles, number 2010. I got an insert of Jimmy Clausen. And got a couple rookies in this one. Got a Golden Tate. And got a Kyle Wilson. Don't believe any of those are a variation. Got a Troy Polamalu reprint card. Eric Dickerson Peak Performance. This actually might be the Gerald McCoy variation. I can't remember if there is one or not. I'll have to check online. But it does Gerald McCoy, and then I also got this Lamar Houston. Let's check on that McCoy. After this is done, I'll look quick and then I'll add if it was. Calvin Johnson insert. I know this is not parallel. Ben Tate, he does have a parallel. That is not the parallel. And I got a Jerry Hughes rookie card. Don't think I have that one, actually. See what else we get. Got a Joseph Adai Peak Performance. The normal Sam Bradford. And Anthony Dixon. Couple more packs here. Got a Frank Gore insert. I got a giveaway card, which I'll enter in a bit. John Canfield rookie card, and a Dexter McCluster rookie card. Alrighty. Two more packs. And then the patch. Des Bryant insert. Desmond Briscoe rookie card, and Charles Brown rookie card. Joe Flacco, Peak Performance, blah. Got a Rolando McClain rookie card, which I had already. Brendan LaFell, which I don't think that's a variation, but I'll check. And a Patrick Robinson, which I did already. So, oh, one more pack. Got Montana and Jimmy Clausen insert. Mike Kafka and Amarni Edwards. I'll check on all those, make sure those weren't any insert variations. And then, let's open up the patch. You only got one Gridiron giveaway. I thought you were supposed to get two. But I guess not. A Jets one. Huh. It's kind of a cool one. And he just signed, I heard. Darrelle Revis. Jets patch. Pretty neat. He just signed with the Jets. So that's pretty sweet. Sweet looking card. Jets. Jets. Neat looking patch. So that's the one I got. I know there's a couple Jets fans out there, so let me know if you're interested in that. Alright, and I checked just to make sure none of those were variations, none of them were, and my redemption was nobody good. But, like I said, got a few I didn't have, and I got some cool inserts, and I got this pretty neat Darrelle Revis Jets patch. So, that's what I got out of my blaster box. Thanks for watching, guys. Later.